Now let's talk about leak testing. ATS has had a long history of leak testing. It is quite a unique story. So we've been doing leak testing systems for over 20 years. We used to specialize only in small and complex leak tests. Now we've expanded that knowledge base to larger leak tests in such as a case you would see in a pack. One of the examples that we have here is we needed to detect a 10 milliliter of air loss in a volume of 250,000 milliliters, which really equates to a teaspoon in a bathtub. Packs need to make sure that they are impervious to liquids entering to make sure that the packs themselves do not get damaged. The inside is full of live electric cells. And as everyone knows, electricity and water are not friends. So a lot of suppliers come up with ingress protection ratings or IP ratings. And most of the time we see IP ratings in the IPX6 or 7 range to make sure that the water is not entering the product. There is two ways for water or fluid to enter the product. This would be once the pack is in vehicle and it is seeing rain or snow, salt or sand trying to get in from the outside. You can also see fluid coming into the pack from the inside, from the coolant. Most packs have coolant systems to keep the cells cool. And because you don't want the coolant to leak out inside your pack, it also needs to be tested. Now, when you're testing a large pack for a very small air loss, it's going to take time. It is also very susceptible to temperature changes and environmental changes. There are other options than air leak testing for these packs, such as a helium mass spec system. However, we have seen that the cost of operation of these systems and sourcing the helium as a tracer gas can be difficult for most customers. The advantage of air is it ultimately reduces the operating cost, as most manufacturing environments will have compressed air at the ready.